Hey everyone! If you have a blue screen with the Unmountable Boot Volume error on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry. In this video, we will show you the steps to get your system up and running again. Method 1. Reboot and check for the error again. Before we start, it's important to disconnect all external devices from your PC and reboot. Check for the error again. This is to make sure there isn't an external device causing your computer to fail to boot. Method 2. Use Windows Automatic Repair. First up, you'll need a Windows installation boot disk. If you're not sure how to create one, check out the video link in the video description. Once you have your boot disk ready, go ahead and insert it into your PC. Then press the power button to turn on your PC, then immediately press the F10 or delete key repeatedly to open the BIOS. Then you will need to adjust the boot order to boot from the USB device. Let Windows start from your USB drive until it loads up. Then click the Next button. You'll see the Install Now screen, but you don't want to reinstall Windows. Instead, click Repair Your Computer in the bottom left. Select Troubleshoot, and you'll open a page of advanced options. Choose Startup Repair. From here, Windows will run an automatic repair that will hopefully take care of your issue. Once it's done, exit the installer and try to boot your computer normally. If Windows still shows an Unmountable Boot Volume error after this, continue to the next method. Method 3. Repairing the Windows using Command Prompt. First, boot from Windows 11, install USB drive. You'll see the Install Now screen, but you don't want to reinstall Windows. Instead, click Repair Your Computer in the bottom left. Then, Troubleshoot. This time, on the Advanced Options screen, choose Command Prompt. Here, you'll perform a series of commands which I'll list down below in the video description for you to copy easily. This will repair the damaged file system and solve your issues. After you've done this, close the command prompt and try booting Windows normally. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more tech fixes.